Machine learning is a powerful branch of artificial intelligence that allows computers to learn from experience. Instead of following fixed instructions, ML models analyze data, identify patterns, and make decisions just like humans do. Whether it's Netflix recommending your favorite shows, fraud detection in banking, or self-driving cars making split-second decisions, ML is transforming our digital world. Machine learning, ML, models learn from data using algorithms like supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning. These models make predictions and improve with more data over time. ML applications are used in healthcare, finance, and automation. Deep learning takes ML a step further with neural networks that mimic the human brain. AI is evolving with natural language processing, NLP, and computer vision. The future of AI includes advancements in robotics, automation, and personalized AI solutions. As AI continues to evolve, mastering ML and deep learning will open doors to endless possibilities. Want to learn more? Stay tuned to Circuit Boost for more AI insights.